In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to generate traffic from search engines with blogs and YouTube videos. This method does require more effort than most traffic tactics, but it's definitely a way to get real long-term traffic if done consistently. Plus, it doesn't cost you anything. So the more videos and posts you create, the more traffic you generate in the long run. So the first thing you need is a blog. The best way is to have a WordPress blog installed on your web host. This will give you more options in the long run. Alternatively, a free and quick way to get your own blog is to use viral networks or instant blog subscribers. The links will be provided. First, I'm going to show you how to create a blog using viral networks. So the first and obvious thing you need to do is to sign up for viral networks. Next, you need to log in and you'll be taken to the dashboard, and where you need to go is to the blogs area. There should be a tab here called blogs, and then you'll see a page that looks like this. This is where you create your blog. So choose some sort of description, a good descriptive username or like a subdirectory. So it will be iblog.at / whatever you want. So I'm just using golf as the niche. So this is what my blog will be called, Ultimate Golf Tips. And then enter the title of the blog. Next, you just click on create blog. And now it says your blog has been created. And these are the details for it. So the blog address, this is the address you give to users, and the login to the administration panel is right here. So what I'm going to do is click on this link here, the admin login. And this is where you enter your login details, the same login details as your viral networks login. Click login once you've entered it. And this is the WordPress dashboard where you can start posting and editing your blog. If I click on the title of the blog here, I'll be taken to the actual blog, and this is how it looks like so far. So the video is not about how to use WordPress or customizing WordPress, so that can be done on your own time. What I do want to show you is how to post. Where you need to go is click on post. And now we can delete this one here. This is a sample post. We can just click on trash. And then whenever we have a new post, we just click on add new. So firstly, let me share with you what you can talk about in your videos. The first method is to create a video that shares top tips on your subject. So this could be top tips on how to write a engaging headline, or top tips on how to improve your golf swing. So it could be a list of 7 tips or 10. The next method is a how-to. So this is basically recording the screen and then showing the viewer how something can be done. You can also answer a frequently asked question. So if any of your subscribers have a question, you can then answer it by recording a video. The next is a presentation or keynote, just like the one you're seeing right now. And another great idea is to share your journey. So even if you're not an expert in one of your subjects, you can still document what you did today or yesterday, and you'll just want to share it. Then this is a method that you want to do. So the next step is obviously you need content. And the way to do it is to record videos using a free tool called Screen-O-Matic, and this will record your screen. So if you go to screencast-o-matic.com, you'll be taken to this page. All you need to do is click on the start recording button here. Now this will use your Java applet, and you'll get a little pop-up that will ask you to run a Java applet. All you need to do is click on run. Next, you'll see this new window appear with these recording options. So then you can click on record to start recording. You can drag this window to change the size of the recording. You can also pre-select it from one of these options here. Another option here is the audio, and then you can choose your input. So to start recording, all you need to do is click on the record button. Wait for the timer, and then now it's ready to start recording. So then you just start recording whatever you want, and then once you're done, you just click on done. This next window will then show a preview of your recording. As you can see, the next thing you want to do is to upload it or publish it to video file. So the best and fastest way is to publish it straight to YouTube. So let's publish it to YouTube. Now this part's important, and you should take note of this. So the title of your video is important. It should include your keyword. So when people search on Google or other search engines, your YouTube video will appear. So this is basic SEO. So let's say I'm targeting the golf niche, and this video is about improving your golf swing. So I'm going to put something like improving your golf swing in 3 steps. And in the description, you want to include a link back to your blog. Let's just put in our URL of the blog. So I can retrieve it by going back to my golf site, and it's above here. So what you want to do is just copy and paste it, making sure that you have HTTP in front here, otherwise it won't be clickable. And next I'll just put a dash, and then I could simply just copy and paste the title into the description right here. And then tags, you want to just put in whatever keywords you're targeting, your main keywords. Category, you can choose whatever you like. I'm just going to put how to and style and make the video public. And next you want to just add your YouTube account. So you'll need a Google account for this, and then it will ask you to grant access. So I'm going to click grant access and allow Screenomatic to use Google here. And now it's successful. You can see got successful authorization for account. I'm going to click continue, and then the next step is to upload to YouTube. I'm going to click upload to YouTube. And next you'll see the process. And now it's done, and it's given me a YouTube link. Depending on your video and how long it is, it may not be processed 100% yet. So here's the video that I just created. It's now uploaded. What we're going to do is to embed this. Now going back to our blog, what we want to do is add a new post. So under posts, click on add new. And next you want to enter the title of your blog post. Again, you want to make sure that you enter keywords in your title. This way search engines will pick it up. So basing it around the YouTube video that you just uploaded, what you want to do is basically just copy and paste the title of the video. So what I'm targeting is golf swing. Obviously this is a hypothetical example, just to show you a demonstration. And next what we want to do in this main body area is to go switch to HTML version, or you can click on the YouTube link there and then enter the link, direct link of the YouTube video. So to get the URL of this, you need to go to the address bar. So I'm just going to copy the URL there and then pasting it in the field right here. You can change the dimensions of the video as well. So I'm going to leave it as the default. I can always adjust it later on. Click on OK. So now it's embedded there. The other way is to go to HTML view, going back to your video here and clicking on the share option here, and then embed, and then copy, and then going back to your blog and then pasting it in this area here. So both ways work fine, but the easiest way is just to use the built-in YouTube button here. But by default this YouTube button doesn't exist in most WordPress installations. But with Viral Networks, you get this included. So now that the video is inserted, what you need to do is add a new category if you haven't created categories yet. So in here, I'm going to call it Golf Videos and then add a new category. So now it's going to be categorized under Golf Videos. You can also add tags such as the keywords. So I'm going to put Golf Swing and add it there. You can click preview to preview your new blog post. As you can see, now the video is embedded there. Once you're satisfied with it, you can go back and click on publish. Now if I click on view post, this is what the post looks like now. So visitors will be able to watch this video right away. So again, this method does require some effort because you're recording videos, you're posting on your blog. But it is a long-term strategy, and if you do it regularly and consistently, then you will see results. So your action steps for today is to set up your blog, either self-installed, or you can use Viral Networks, or instant blog subscribers. Next, write a list of things you can start talking about in your video, and then use Screenomatic to start recording. Upload it to YouTube, and then post it on your blog. So that concludes the video on how to generate traffic from search engines with blogs and YouTube videos.